Racing just is started. We have top notcher break quick leader start. Let's keys and say goodbye. Is on the outside. South Apo comes next in the middle portion. Russell Dazzle. Then next online is No Monkey. Then followed now by Asikaso Maligalig getting the white strip. As they make their first turn, we have Top Notcher on its favorite position as the pace setter enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Let's kiss and say goodbye. Rushing upon the outside now is South Apo. Running by the rail comes Asikaso. The next online is No Monkey. Rushing upon the outside is Casablanca. Then followed now by Russell Dazzle, isa pa, Prima Donna, No Iana comes next, Carolina Blue, Dream Supreme, Racing second last is Carabagyo, while 5A, Maligalig is racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race, the lead now belongs to Casablanca. Top Notcher is running by the rail in the middle portion. Comes South Apo as they swing for home. Casablanca. Top Notcher is running by the rail. Casablanca. This time by about 2 lengths followed by Top Notcher. Isa pa. And finally, Casablanca. Second, isa pa. Top Notcher. South Apo, Russell Dazzle. Let's kiss and say goodbye. Carolina Blue.
Okay mga kaibigan, para dito sa ating race number 1, our unofficial winner, that is 2A Casablanca. Masisegunda numero 7 natin na si isa pa, numero 4.